The malignant narcissist, a walking, talking, backstab factory. One of the clearest signs you're dealing with a narcissist is their Olympic level ability to malign, manipulate, and absolutely ruin anyone who gets in their way. These people don't just throw you under the bus. They reverse, shift into drive, and run you over again just for the sport of it. Lesson 1. Never turn your back on a narcissist. You might think they're just standing there looking vaguely human. No. They're calculating, plotting, carefully curating a masterpiece of backstabbing and betrayal, because destroying people isn't just a hobby for them. It's practically their cardio. The game plan: lies, smears, and a bit of a theatrical evil. Narcissists don't just want to win. Winning is boring. No. They want to win while making sure you lose catastrophically, preferably in a way that makes them look like the victim or hero. Their entire existence revolves around backstabbing, but artfully, like they're auditioning for like Shakespeare's darkest tragedy. Triangulation, turning people against each other like social arsonists with a gallon of petrol. Smear campaigns. Think Mean Girls, but without the comedic value. Pathological lying. They'd lie about the weather while standing in the rain. General soul-sucking negativity, like a dementor with a personal vendetta. Weaponizing fake kindness because, well, I'm just worried about you, really means I'm actively ruining your reputation, but in a caring type of a way. Now, everything they do is about image control, but at someone else's expense. If they need to bulldoze your reputation to elevate their own, so be it. And while you're left reeling, wondering why they just burned your life to the ground, they're already busy redesigning their own personal PR campaign to look like the misunderstood saint, gathering intel. Narcissists are always taking notes. You ever wondered why a narcissist seems so interested in you in the first place? Why? They hang on to your every word, like you're delivering the Gettysburg or the Queen's message. It's not because they care. It's because they're data mining. Every deep conversation, every vulnerable moment, every offhand joke about your insecurities filed away for later use. Your childhood trauma, that's ammo. Your dreams, those will be used against you. Your fears, oh, well, they love those. It's all about a long-term investment strategy, like a toxic hedge fund of personal destruction. And if you dare to break away, boom, instant devaluation and a pre-planned smear campaign. They've been quietly laying the groundwork for your downfall since the moment they met you. The moment they sense you might be slipping from their grip, they preemptively destroy your reputation just in case you ever try to expose them. It's like they're saying, I know you're eventually going to see straight through my nonsense, so let me just make sure no one believes you when you do. Divide and conquer. How they isolate you. Narcissists love playing people against each other. It's their version of a reality show, except the only thing is, getting eliminated is your sanity. They'll convince you your friends and family secretly despise you. They'll tell those same friends and family that you've been bad-mouthing them. They'll create jealousy and fake love triangles to keep you emotionally dependent. Act concerned about while actually discreetly eroding your relationship with every relationship you have. Before you know it, you're alone, confused, and emotionally dependent on that very person orchestrating your downfall. Congratulations! You've just been expertly manipulated by a psychological magician who only knows one trick: deception. Why they need to destroy, not just manipulate. Now, you might be thinking, if narcissists need constant supply, why don't they just fake love indefinitely? Wouldn't that just be easier? Good question. Simple answer: because they get bored. They don't actually form real bonds. So once the initial excitement of controlling you wears off, they need a fresh, shiny new victim. But instead of just leaving like a normal person, they need to wreck your life on the way out. Why? It makes them feel powerful. It ensures they remain in control of the narrative. It prevents you from exposing them because, let's be honest, who's going to believe the crazy ex after they've carefully discredited you? It entertains them. Yes, that's right. Actually, they enjoy destruction. They enjoy waking up miserable. That's what they do. I don't know why. Think of them like a toddler with a toy. They play with it obsessively at first. But after a while, they get bored. Not because the toy changed, but because they've lost interest. And instead of gently setting it aside, they smash it to pieces just to see what happens. That's how they treat people. You're either a useful tool or an obstacle to be eliminated. There is no in between. The only escape, no contact, no remorse, no looking back. So that's the solution. Simple. Get out and stay out. No contact, not even a happy birthday text. I kid you not, nothing. No checking their social media. They thrive on knowing you still care. No mutual friends acting as informants. Block, delete, vanish. No closure. They don't do closure, only chaos. The sooner you accept that you're dealing with a manipulative, backstabbing, empathy deficient parasite, the sooner you can start healing. Don't waste your time trying to understand them. Don't even understand. They don't even understand themselves. Instead, focus on you. Educate yourself, strengthen your boundaries, find joy in knowing you've escaped their twisted little Hunger Games. Because at the end of the day, knowledge is your superpower. And the biggest slap in the face to a narcissist is living well without them. Go. Be free. And most importantly, do not look back. If you got anything from this video, feel free to click the like button and subscribe. There's plenty more where this comes from. Peace and love, Lila's Glove.